Welcome to Sharpen Your Skills. I'm Mrs. Ayaba Griffin. I am the owner and the lead instructor here at Sharpen Your Skills Continuing Education and Salon. And I'm going to share with you the items that are part of our student kit when you are enrolled in our cosmetology training program at Sharpen Your Skills. So I'm going to start off today with our deluxe travel case on wheels. And so in the travel case, as you can see here, we have two mannequins. We have the Deluxe Deborah and the Sam 2 that are inside. It also comes with 3 of these smaller cases. 2 of them are inside of the case, and 1 is carrying the perm rods that we have here. And with our perm rods, since I'm on this particular case, our perm rods that we have here, they come with the kit. We have the peach, we have the gray rods, we have the pink rods, and we have the white rods. What also comes with the kit are the super grip clips. We have them in the medium and the large, and we have the curl clips. We also have a nice large mannequin tote bag for you to be able to carry several mannequins in this tote bag. You need to carry your mannequins separately. And so the travel case has plenty of pockets. We have a pocket here in the front. We have 2 more pockets here on the side to carry smaller items, 1 on the top, and 1 here on the bottom as well. We also have a nice large pocket in the back. There's another nice large pocket here on the side that you can carry things that you need to carry, and inside there's a specialized pocket, and here you can carry your flat irons and your curling irons, and when they're still slightly warm, you can be able to put them in this area right here, and they can cool down and they still won't damage the rest of the case. So this is a nice feature that's within this case. And you also have more pockets here. Inside, you also have another pocket here. So you have plenty of room to be able to carry all of your tools and equipment inside of your case. And you also see here that you have these 4 smaller cases that also come with your travel case. I already told you about the first 2 mannequins. We also have 4 mannequins, so you have 6 mannequins in all. You have Tammy, which is the hair color training mannequin. And as you can see, it has a blonde, a red, a dark brown, and a gray quadrant, so that each student can be able to learn how to color hair on different shades of hair. So that is a great training tool. Then we have Zoe, whose hair is great to use for sets, as well as learning how to do updo and special occasion styles. You see the length of her hair is pretty long. Then we have Mr. Sam, who is our male mannequin, and we'll be using this mannequin to learn how to do men's hair cutting. And then we have our Whitney mannequin, okay? And she's also going to be used for styling the hair as well. So those are our 6 mannequins. And so the kit also comes with a package of nitrile gloves. It comes with a set of rollers. It comes with a 10-piece professional comb set. It comes with a set of carbon high heat resistant combs, which are great to use if you do a lot of thermal hairstyling with wands, with curling irons, with flat irons, and these type of combs do not melt So this is very, very good for thermal hairstyling. The carbon combs that are high heat resistant. And here we have the teasing brush comb. We have the round neck brush. We have the color brushes. We have the ion silicone styling brush. We have the ion magnesium pro paddle brush. We have the ion curved square vent brush, which is very good because it goes along with the curvature of the head, a nice wide vent brush for your blow dry styling. Then we have our black Denman brush. Both of these are good for natural hair, the two brushes, the nylon brush and the Denman brush. And then we have our bamboo collection, which is our 2-inch and our 2 3/4-inch round brushes. Also very good for our blow dry styling. Then we have another set of sectioning clips. These are our duckbill clips. Then you have your butterfly clips. We have our ultralight crinkle nylon styling cape and salon apron. We have our nail brush. We have our manicure bowl. We have our color bowl. We have our super clamp mannequin holder. We have our water bottle, our color bottle. We also have our 6-piece manicure kit, and it also comes in a nice velour case. We have our toenail clipper. And over here we have our electricals. We have our Babeless nano titanium connection, which is our 2,000 watt blow dryer, our ultra thin 1-inch ultra thin 450 degree flat iron, and then we also have the Marcel iron, which also heats up to 450 degrees. We also have our hand mirror. We also have our Andis pivot motor combo, which is your clippers and your trimmers. We also have our Togata. We have the texturizing shears as well as the hair cutting shears. And we have the professional styling razor with Japanese blades, as well as the replacement blades that come with that razor. So there you have it. This is our student kit for all of the students that come and enroll in our cosmetology training program here at Sharpen Your Skills Continuing Education and Salon. For more information, be sure to visit us at sharpenyourskills.com. We'll see you next time.